To watch videos with subtitles on your iPhone, no matter the volume or background noise? Let me show you how to turn on closed captions in iOS 18. And before we begin, make sure to hit subscribe for more click iPhone tips that just make life easier. Step 1. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Step 3. Under the Hearing section, tap Subtitles and Captioning. Step 4. Now toggle on the option that says Closed Captions and SDH. This turns on subtitles when available, especially during movies, TV shows, or videos that support them. Step 5. Want to make the subtitles easier to read? Tap Style right below it to change the font size, color, or background so the text stands out just how you like it. And that's it. Now your iPhone will show captions whenever they're available. Great for noisy places, quiet moments, or accessibility needs. Tap subscribe for more everyday iPhone tools that make your experience better for you.